Hey guys, welcome back to another protein snack review. We've got the Health Lab protein balls again. This is another one here. This is salted caramel, flavor-wise, and these are just the sort of healthy, I guess, protein balls. They're made from organic ingredients and sort of not pieced together scientifically, sort of thing, like I guess most sort of protein bars are. So it's got dates, organic coconut in it, cashews, plant-based protein, and Himalayan sea salt. It's vegan, gluten-free, so that's pretty cool. But normally with these kind of bars, without looking on the stats on the back, are normally really low in protein. So even though they're a protein ball, they have really low protein, and it's just something to keep in mind. The fat's normally high, carbs are normally high. It's just something, yeah, with vegan balls, it's hard to get a lot of protein in, and normally they have a lot less protein than normal protein balls that they can just put like whey protein in there. So stats on this, it's only got the kilojoules here, so it's got 496 kilojoules, so you got to divide that by 4, it's about 120 I think it is, calories. You got 5 grams of protein, 8.8 grams of fat, so that's not great. It's quite a large amount of fat in a small sack, which is only 120 calories. I wouldn't recommend it. And then you got 7.9 carbohydrates. Another thing in here, like they list here that it's got natural sugars compared to refined sugar. Sugar, for the most part, in the end of the day, is gonna basically convert the same way across. So yeah, if it's got refined or healthy sugar there, or natural sugar, don't just think you're not going to get fat from it. It's still sugar. It still will convert the same way. So something to keep in mind. We'll give this a taste. I think it's going to taste pretty good. It's got a fair amount of carbs, fair amount of, a lot of fat, really, for something that's 120 calories. So it smells pretty good. Natural sort of smell. So it should be interesting to see how they go. Normally, I find these are slightly off. They're not really that salted caramelly, and they're quite sort of bland, I guess, really. A little dry. Really dense. You can taste that date coming through, which is obviously how they're sweetening these balls. Salted caramel is really, really low, like 1 out of 10. It's like a 2.5 sort of thing. It's really subtle, almost unnoticeable. Texture is pretty bland, boring. It's nothing crunchy or anything in it. It's just a big mushy sort of ball. It's quite nice still. Yeah, overall, it's nice, but it's nothing impressive, that's for sure. Stats on it aren't that great, or they're quite bad, really. Yeah, most people won't want to eat that many, well, almost 10 grams of fat for 120 calories. You're pretty much getting all the calories just from fat there. Again, most of these protein balls, especially the vegan ones, have extremely low amounts of protein in them. It's just harder to get. I don't know why they don't, I don't know, just put like pea protein or something in them to boost it up a bit, but they never seem to opt for something like that. Rating for this, guys, it's pretty average. The stats I wouldn't recommend, like if you're on a normal diet, I wouldn't eat this. Probably just, yeah, casual 5, I guess. It's the flavor in that's not too bad, but it has a almost 9 grams of fat. It's basically got 9 grams of carbs. It's gonna taste good. So that's it for today, guys. That's the Health Lab. That's salted caramel. And yeah, with that being said, the salted caramel definitely didn't taste like salted caramel. I still get the same sort of date flavor going through, which is fine, but it's definitely not salted caramel. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like the video. If you want to check out any of the other reviews that we've done so far, we're going to start putting playlists together for each of the sort of things. Excuse me. All the Health Lab protein balls and all the different brands. We'll have a big playlist of each brand, so you guys can go through and see which ones are the best for that brand. All right, guys. Make sure you check us out tomorrow, and we'll be doing another one. See you then.